Students, today's topic is story, The Bear and Two Friends. Then letters, there are two letters today we will write. Number 1, to young brother advising him for taking interest in studies. Number 2, to father asking him for sending money to purchase books. And there is an application for readmission. Class 9, subject English. Now coming to the first topic, which is story, The Bear and Two Friends. Have you heard about this story before? The Bear and Two Friends. So, as the name implies, there is a story about a bear and two friends. Once there were two friends living in a village. They were fast friends. Fast friends means गहरे दोस्त होना. They were without work. They were without work. उनके पास कोई काम नहीं था. They set out to find work. Set out रवाना होना. To find work. They were on the way to a big town. They promised to stand by each other in all circumstances. They promised to stand by. Stand by साथ देंगे. Each other एक दूसरे का. In all circumstances. Circumstances means हर किस्म के हालात में एक दूसरे का साथ देंगे. Circumstances means in any situation. By chance, in their way there was a forest. While passing through a forest, they saw a bear coming towards them. They did not know what to do. One of them knew how to climb a tree. One of them knew, K-N-E-W, knew, वो जानता था, how to climb a tree. दोनों में से एक को मालूम था कि दरख्त पे कैसे चढ़ा जाता है. He did not think of safety of his friend. He did not think of safety. उसने अपने दूसरे दोस्त की हिफाजत के या तहफ़्फ़ुज़ के बारे में नहीं सोचा. He left his friend and climbed up a tree. And climbed up a tree, और वो दरख्त पर चढ़ गया. So in this slide we have completed 2 paragraphs of the story. Now coming to the third paragraph of story. The other was in a fix. दूसरा परेशान था. Because one climbed up a tree and there left another one in the forest. The other was in a fix. दूसरा परेशान था. He did not know how to climb a tree because he did not know climbing a tree. His life was in a danger. उसकी जान खतरे में थी. He did not lose presence of his mind. He did not lose presence. उसने हाजिर दिमागी से काम लिया. He did not lose. उसने नहीं छोड़ा. Presence हाजिर दिमागी नहीं छोड़ी. And he did not lose presence of his mind. उसने हाजिर दिमागी नहीं छोड़ी. He hit upon an idea. उसने एक प्लान बनाया. He laid down on the ground. सड़क पर लेट गया. And held his breath. और अपनी सांस रोक ली. After some time the bear reached there. The bear sniffed him all over. Sniffed him, सूंघना. The bear sniffed him all over. He took him to be dead. He thought that he is dead. The bear left him and went away. The friend on the tree got down and asked his friend. The friend on the tree got down. जो दरख्त पर चढ़ा हुआ दोस्त था वो नीचे आया और अपने दोस्त से पूछा, What did the bear say to you in your ear? कि रीछ ने तुम्हें कान में क्या कहा? So why the bear sniffed him all over and he went away? Because he thought him to be dead. क्योंकि उसे मालूम हुआ, उसको ख्याल आया कि शायद ये मुर्दा है. क्योंकि रीछ मुर्दा गोश्त नहीं खाता, शिकार करके खाता है. So that was the reason that his life was safe. So the friend on the tree got down and asked his friend, What did the bear say to you in your ear? The other replied जवाब देना. The bear advised me not to trust a fair weather friend. Not to trust a fair weather friend. It is a proverb which means वो दोस्त जो मौसम की तरह बदलते हैं उन पर एतबार नहीं करना चाहिए. Saying this, he went away. ये कह के वो रवाना हो गया. So moral is, a friend in need is a friend indeed. दोस्त वही है जो ज़रूरत के वक्त काम आए. So it was the story all about a bear and two friends. So you have to keep in mind the proverb, not to trust a fair weather friend. मौसम की तरह बदलने वाले दोस्त पर एतबार ना करो. Now coming to letter. Letter to brother asking him to take interest in studies. First of all, you have to write down, you have to keep in mind the writing pattern of letter. You have to write down along with the margin line, examination hall, E with capital letter and H with capital letter. Then you have to write just along margin line A, B, C in capital words. Then you have to write down the date. Then you have to leave one line. You have to give one line gap, and after that you have to write along with margin line, my dear brother. Then you have to leave one line, and in the mid of your page you have to write Assalamu alaikum along with exclamation sign. Now you have to write you have to start writing your letter, main body of your letter along with the margin line. I am fine and hope you will be fine too. Full stop. I came to know about your result through a letter from father. Full stop. It is very sad that you have not got good marks in English and maths. You have not got good marks. तुमने English और maths में अच्छे नंबर हासिल नहीं किए. Your first priority, Priority, your first priority should be your studies. Full stop. First paragraph completed. Now coming to the second one, you have to start your second paragraph along with your margin line. This is the time. This is the time to work hard. If you waste, W-A-S-T-E, if you waste it, you will be sorry, S-O-R-R-Y, you will be sorry for it throughout your life. T-H-R-O-U-G-H-O-U-T, throughout your life. Full stop. Keep in mind that you must avoid bad company. बुरी सोबत से बचो. Study according to timetable and take part in games also. This will increase your working power. Next line, hope you will follow my advices full stop, with W capital. With love, L-O-V-E, with love and best wishes. With love and best wishes. Then you have to leave one line and you have to write your loving sister XYZ, capital letters along with margin line. Now coming to next letter, which is letter to father asking him for money to purchase books. You have to leave one line. You have to write according to margin line, examination hall, ABC, 17th August, 2020, full stop. My dear father. Then you have to leave one line. Assalamu alaikum, exclamation sign. I am absolutely fine and hope you will be fine too. My result of class 8 was announced yesterday. You will be glad to know that I have passed with credit. You will be glad. Glad means खुश होना. I have passed with credit. बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स, अच्छे नंबर से हासिल, बहुत अच्छे नंबर हासिल करना. It is all due to your blessings. I promise that I, with the grace of Allah, will secure हासिल करना, more marks next year inshallah. Full stop. Next paragraph. Now I have to buy a new uniform, bag and books for class 9th. Full stop. I need 5,000 rupees for all these things. Please send me the amount as soon as possible. Full stop. Pay my salam to all at home. You have to leave one line and you have to write your loving daughter XYZ in capital letters. Now coming to application for readmission. What does it mean by readmission? Why we do readmission? When somebody take too much leaves or uninformed leave from the school, so they are struck off from the school and they have to get readmission in the school. So starting with your application, you have to write along with margin line the principal, comma, ABC in capital letters, then you have to put comma, Peshawar, then you have to put comma, you have to leave one line and you have to write subject. Application for readmission. You have to leave one line and then you have to write along with margin line respected madam and you have to put comma over here. With due respect, comma, it is stated that I have been suffering from typhoid, full stop. I have been suffering from typhoid, full stop. The doctor suggested me complete bed rest. Suggested me tajweez karna, complete bed rest. Due to physical weakness, I had not been able to attend the school for 3 weeks. Due to physical weakness, जिस्मानी कमज़ोरी की वजह से I was not able to attend the school for 3 weeks as there was no one at home to bring my application. I had been struck off from the register. I have been struck off, नाम खारिज कर देना, नाम निकाल देना from the register. Now I am fully recovered. Fully recovered मुकम्मल तौर पर सेहतियाब हो जाना and want to continue my studies further और अपनी पढ़ाई मज़ीद जारी रखना चाहती हूँ. Next line, therefore, comma, I request you to readmit me in your school. My medical certificate is also attached with the application. Next line, I shall be very thankful to you. Your obedient student XYZ dated 17th August, comma, 2020 full stop. You have to put full stop at the end of the date. So it was application for readmission. In this application, the cause for taking for 3 weeks leave from the school was that she was suffering from typhoid. She was unable to attend the school for 3 weeks and it was then uninformed leaves from the school. So that was the reason that her name was struck off from the register. Now coming to activity, your activity is write down story, letters and application in copy and learn it. Thank you.